You've probably seen stunning clips of old animations remastered in 4K crisp lines, vivid colors, and unbelievable clarity. Do you also want to achieve the effect of animation 4K? Just a powerful AI tool VidHex can be achieved. Before that, let us recognize what 4K is really. In simple terms, 4K refers to a horizontal resolution of roughly 4000 pixels, compared to standard 1080p. 4K packs 4 times the pixel count. This translates to finer detail, sharper edges, and a more immersive viewing experience, especially on larger screens. However, higher resolution comes at a cost. Rendering 4K footage demands more processing power, more storage, and more capable hardware. When people hear the term animation restoration, most of them imagine someone in a dark studio, carefully cleaning old film by hand, scanning each frame, and manually fixing scratches and dust. And yeah, that traditional process is real, and it takes a lot of time, especially when it comes to older animations. Back in the day, films including animated ones were stored on physical reels, usually made with nitrate film stock. The problem, nitrate is incredibly flammable, even more so than paper, and while it was later replaced by acetate and polyester-based film, none of these materials age well. Under normal conditions, they're all prone to shrinking, warping, or decaying over time. That's why many classic animations today only survive in blurry, faded copies passed down through decades of transfers. Even with digital tools, restoration has been slow and painstaking, requiring experts to clean up each frame by hand. In recent years, AI and deep learning have ushered restoration into a new era, with intelligent algorithms taking on heavy tasks and AI-assisted repair becoming the norm. AI can now detect flaws in the footage, predict missing details, smooth out motion with frame interpolation, reduce noise, even fix color issues, all of which makes the process faster, more efficient, and in many cases, more accurate. This blend of human expertise and machine learning is what we now call digital restoration, and it's opened the door to restoring classic animations at a level we could only dream of a few years ago. You've probably heard of some big studios doing insane video restoration work, like Deep Voodoo, the team behind South Park. But honestly, there are also tons of solo creators out there using tools like Dane for smooth frame rates, the Oldify for color, Realistic to upscale, plus a little Adobe Magic to bring old videos back to life. But here's the thing, these methods require coding knowledge, GPU acceleration, and tons of time. They're not beginner friendly. The good news, there's now a tool designed for everyone. It's called VidHex. VidHex uses deep learning models trained on massive video datasets. It's capable of detecting and reconstructing fine details in blurry footage, essentially doing what professionals do, but with one click. Here's how it works. 1. Launch the app and either drag your video into the workspace or click to browse and upload. You can also directly enter the anime videos module from the home screen. 2. On the right panel, select the anime model, a specialized AI designed to enhance animated content. Select 4K resolution for output resolution in the lower right corner. Click preview to generate a short before and after comparison clip. 3. If you're happy with the result, apply the settings to the full video and click export all. Let the AI render your upgraded, high-quality anime. No tech skills needed, just results. And don't worry if your computer is a bit slow, the processing speed depends on your hardware, which is perfectly normal. Whether it's for preserving your childhood memories or rediscovering animation classics, 4K restoration is a bridge between the past and the present. AI has made restoration possible. Tools like VidHex have made it accessible. So if there's a blurry video or a nostalgic cartoon you've always wanted to revive, now's the time. The download link is right below. Click it and try it out. And let us know in the comments, which animation would you love to see restored in 4K? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.